We're going to do an air pressure experiment today, and I am gathering my supplies. My supplies are air pressure. I have some Play-Doh. I have some candles. I have a lighter for the candles. I have some water and food coloring. And I have a glass. So those are my materials that I'm going to start out with. So what I'm going to start off with is a little hunk of Play-Doh. Sure. Here, you want to peel off a big piece of Play-Doh? And we need to put it in the middle of our pie plate. Do you want to put the hunk of Play-Doh, you want to mush it a little bit? Get it into a nice ball, and it's going to go in the middle of our pie plate. Okay. Okay. Middle of the pie plate. Awesome. Thank you. And what we're using this for is just to put our candles on. I think that'll be big enough. Let's see. 1 candle, 2 candles. Do you want to put that one in?
Yeah. I love green.
Awesome. Let's smush it all in there. Okay. So if you had a different kind of candle, if you had like a tea light like that, it would stand on its own. It wouldn't need the Play-Doh. And now I'm going to put some blue food coloring into my water because I want you to be able to see what happens to the water during this experiment. And if the water is clear, we won't be able to see it. Okay, so here's our blue water. Addison, would you mind grabbing me that rag right there? Awesome. Thanks. I need something to put my spoon on.
So it doesn't color the whole table up.
Exactly. We're going to put about a cup of our water in there.
It's like an island!
It does look like a little island. Isn't that cool?
With 2 candles.
And what we're going to do is we're going to light the candles, and then we're going to put the glass on top of the candles. And so before an experiment, we like to make a hypothesis. What do you think is going to happen when we put the glass on top of the candles? So take a second to make a hypothesis, which is a guess we're going to test, on what you think is going to happen when the glass goes on top. Okay. Everybody got their hypothesis?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we're going to light this. Ready, Addison?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my!
Okay, 1 candle went out. 1 out is still. And then what is happening? Can you see what's happening to the water, Addison?
There's no air around it, so that's making it.
Oh.
Go like that.
Could you see how the water inside the glass
It's
rose?
rising.
Oh, why do you think that happened?
I think it happened because the air is trapped.
Interesting. We'll talk some more about why that happened after. Cool. Thanks for joining our experiment.